제92회 눈이 어머니와 똑같아요.
Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Speak Korean. I'm your host Lisa Kelly and today here in the studio outside we've got Blake's family watching. Hi guys.
And hello to all of you guys out there. Let's Speak Korean. Welcome to Let's Speak Korean. I am your Hunjang Kim Young. And Blake, you must be very happy. Your whole family's here.
I am ecstatic. 안녕하세요. I'm Blake, and it's a bang-up day for me because everyone's here, and I'm really excited about it.
Then it's the perfect day to give you something really difficult to learn so that you can make a fool of yourself in front of them.
Very good.
I'm just kidding. Check out our lesson.
안녕하세요. 소금 인형의 지숙 역을 맡은 김희정입니다. 여자들 결혼 전에는 다 그래요.
아무튼 내가 좀 신경 썼어야 돼.
이제 본전하게 시골이고 준비 아빠 기죽는 일만 남았구만. 제 얼굴 중에 어머니와 똑같은 부분이 있는데요. 눈이 어머니와 똑같아요. 눈이 어머니와 똑같아요.
눈이 어머니와 똑같아요.
네, 하지만 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요.
어머니 is your mother, right? 어머니와 똑같아요. When you put the wa behind there, we're actually putting the and. In English, we have blank and blank connecting these two, but here in this sentence, it comes at the end. So, 눈이 어머니와 똑같아요. It's the same as your mother, as with your mother. And then 똑같아 is to be the same.
Oh, okay.
Try that with me. 눈이
눈이
어머니와
어머니와
똑같아요.
똑같아요.
Right.
눈이 어머니와 똑같아요. Let's kind of explore that word a little bit. There's many words to describe that some things are alike or similar or even the same. 같다, 같다, 같다. That is saying it's similar or actually alike. Okay? For example, these two over here, they're almost the same, but you know, you can't say they're exactly the same. So you could say 같다, 같다, 같다. And look at these chopsticks over here. These two are pretty much exactly the same. So you would say 똑같다, 똑같다, 똑같다. Well, there's another word here, 비슷하다. 비슷하다 means similar. It's almost a direct translation. Look at this grapefruit over here, and look at this orange. Now these two, they're very, very similar, but they're not exactly the same. Well, actually, they're very different, as a matter of fact. So you could just say they're similar to each other. 비슷하다, 비슷하다, 비슷하다. Okay, remember we learned the word 닮다 or 닮았어요, 닮다, which is you resemble or you look like a certain person. And you can only use that when you are referring to a living thing. For example, an animal or a person. Okay, Blake, let's actually go through this together.
Okay.
Okay. 같다,
같다,
같다.
같다.
Okay, that's alike. 똑같다,
똑같다,
똑같다.
똑같다.
Okay, 똑같다. All right. 비슷하다,
비슷하다,
비슷하다.
비슷하다.
All right. And 닮다 goes to a person. 닮다.
닮다. 눈이
아버지와, you're the father, right?
똑같아요.
Right. One more time.
눈이 아버지와 똑같아요.
You know, I think you have the same nose as your mother does too.
Really?
Yeah.
We have the same plastic surgeon.
아니, 코가 어머니와 똑같아요. 코가 어머니와 똑같아요.
아, 네. 하지만 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요. 네. 하지만 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요.
I see. So let's go through that though. 네, affirming, right? 하지만, but, okay? 하지만 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요. But my personality is similar to my father's. Now, let's go through this 하지만 though. 하지만 is like but, right? Whenever you're interjecting through something.
Okay. 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요. 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요. 성격 is personality. 성격.
성격?
성격 is personality. 성격은 personality is 아버지를 닮았어요. It's exactly backwards from the American way of saying it.
Okay.
Okay? 하지만 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요. 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요.
성격은 아버지를
닮았어요.
닮았어요.
성격은 아버지를 닮았어요.
성격은 아버지를 I can't remember the last part.
닮았어요.
닮았어요. And we knew this, huh?
I think your brother even remembers the last part now.
Possibly.
One last time, let's get you to say it right, okay? 하지만 성격은
하지만 성격은
아버지를 닮았어요.
아버지를 닮았어요.
What you see behind me is 민화. 민화. 민, that stands for the common people. Not the rich folks, but the common people. And 화 stands for paintings by these people. 민화. Okay, what is the difference between 민화? Well, 민화 roots back to the Joseon dynasty when there was actually a class of people called 양반, and they were a bit richer, they were actually richer, and they were more educated. And there was the common people who didn't really have enough money to afford an education. And this is art by those people. They drew great paintings and quality paintings which showed a bit of their lifestyle and their beliefs. So when you look at some of these 민화 paintings that are out there, they have paintings of turtles, and they also have paintings of rocks, things of nature, and also things that stood for longevity or a long, healthy life. 민화, you might want to check some of this stuff out. Blake, you know the drill. Use what you learned today and tell me how to say certain things or expressions in Korean. Number 1, you have your mother's eyes, or you and your mother have similar eyes or the same eyes.
눈이 어머니와 똑같아요.
Number 2, but my personality is similar to my father's.
하지만 성격을 아버지를
하지만 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요. Look on the top of your desk, you'll see 2 oranges, and they are very, very similar. How do you say that in Korean?
비슷해요?
눈이 어머니와 똑같아요. 눈, your eyes. Remember, it also means snow, right? 어머니, your mother, 와 똑같아요. It looks exactly like your mother's. 같아 means to be the same. 똑같아 means exactly the same. So it looks exactly like your mother's. 눈이 어머니와 똑같아요. 하지만 성격은 아버지를 닮았어요. 하지만 is but actually, and then you're going to give a reason, right? Actually, 성격, my character or my personality, is actually takes after my father. 아버지를 닮았어요. 닮다, of course, means to be the similar to or take after someone. So actually, my personality is more like my father's, though my eyes are the same as my mother's. All right, that's it for our program today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll be back at the same time every day here on Arirang TV. 똑같은 시간, okay? Same time. Want to say goodbye?
Goodbye!
Bye, everyone.